not bad. So while sister is here, just gonna quickly see what else I'm gonna change. This badge is alright, but she wants me to change her wheel once. So I'm gonna show you how to change some badges. So to change some badges, you obviously need some badges. That's the same ones as those cunts robbed off me. Came in and absolutely burgled me. See how nice they were? These are the last of the Mohicans. But anyway, fuck them. We're on to bigger and better things. So you need some badges. You need this, or you need this to stick under your ass so it doesn't get cold, and so you don't get piles. But maybe you're hardcore and you don't mind walking around with piles.
Rectal bleeding is something you should discuss with your doctor.
It could be an anal fissure, and an anal fissure is a tear in and around the anus that can cause quite significant amount of pain.
A hemorrhoid is an engorged or inflamed vein in the rectal region. Clotted or external hemorrhoids may involve a lump and constant discomfort not limited to using the bathroom.
But yeah, get one of these mats for your ass. So then all you need to do is just wrap a screwdriver in some cloth so that you don't damage anything. Well, not anything, but your rim mainly, or your hood. Stick it just in between there. And I can't do it with one hand, but you can stick it in there and then it will pop off.
And do not do it like this, Dick.
So after a few attempts, they will pop off like this. If you don't want to, if you've got nice center caps and you want to replace them, and if you don't want risking scratching your rim at all, then I would highly recommend taking the wheel off and pushing the center cap from the outside so it just falls outwards, I mean. Otherwise, you know, I've done it millions of times and still, I mean, sometimes they're really stuck in and you might just clip a little bit of your rim. And these are shitty rims, I don't give a shit about them. So, but yeah, otherwise take the wheel off and pop them off.
This is how you do it.
Do it kind of in this movement, so pushing outwards, and it pops out very easily, as you can see. And then, by the way, standard size, 68mm, standard OEM BMW size. So if you have the right center caps, they will just slot in like this. So now we're gonna, so we've changed one cap. So yeah, when it pops out, just literally just push it in. In the first video, it was a bit of a bellend, showing you how to remove a center cap. So best way is to do it like this, basically. So you stick it in and don't fucking stab it and shit, just kind of from here out and again, and that's it, it comes out. See,